Qingdao Huarui Electromechanical Manufacturing Company Limited is an enterprise specializing in precision hardware, plastics, and metal plate products. It is located in Shenzhen, the most charming city in China. We have been in this industry for many years, which has also accumulated a wealth of experience for us, with advanced management experience and R&D technology. Our company is equipped with a comprehensive range of professional research and development and testing personnel dedicated to serving you. Our company has established a complete quality control management system and continues to grow and develop in line with the concept of quality first. The materials involved in our products are stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper, 3D printing, etc. Product precision can reach plus or minus 0.005 millimeters. Today, our products have already occupied a place in industries such as medical care, wind power generation, locomotive construction machinery, and new energy vehicles, and have also provided high-quality services for many customers. We always aim at providing quality products with competitive prices for customers. We believe that we can better understand your needs, provide you with more professional advice, and help you achieve more brilliant results in your field. Welcome to our website to read and make inquiries. If you have better suggestions for us, please contact us. Our experienced staff members are available to discuss your requirements and ensure full user satisfaction. Warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us to achieve common success.